In a step to boost economic and emotional integration among indigenous communities, a Liangmai Imphal market was organized at Manipur University Gate in Canchipur today. The market came alive with people flocking the stores to avail various organic farm products brought by Liangmai community. Speaking in this regard, convener of Liangmai Imphal Market Committee, Nongthombam Sanajauba said the market was organized in association with local clubs to provide a market platform for indigenous communities from hill districts. He expressed confidence that such initiative will provide an opportunity to boost income of Liangmai community.
Sigumba market ama akoina hogok jaribasi mamang su market tawgi ado akoi integration ama dum leigi emotional integration dum sagati hogik su koi emotional integration je koi adum laigani ado Liangmai si handak akoi gi moi kitang akoi gi cookie ga mitei gi lan sina akoi pun awa badi nangi mitei so nangi ado Liangmai su kitang nangi aduna mokoi di specially akoina moida consider ma tawraga mokoi gi market se akoina Imphal da kan bani.
On the other hand, Secretary of Kiamgai Maninglaika Youth Popular Club, Longjam Nisikanta, said the market was set up to foster bond between indigenous communities and to help each other. Meanwhile, a visitor named Moirangthem Hemanta expressed happiness on getting the opportunity to buy various fresh vegetables and other products of Liangmai community and lauded the initiative for strengthening economic and emotional integration among communities in the state.
Masih pergi tak kumanga September pergi Liangmai Imphal market pergi sini maru ina papungai ina pergi dah cilobi tu na adugum ba Liangmai community ke ba adugum ba market ama open market ama pergi sini langjar benda sida pergi loki market itu kesu atau ba agama logi tu na mapam dengan sah antar nama maya ama juga crowd si kontrol tong nama hona ba sini am je pergi pergi site lagi hong mementing bang jaga na pergi tahu sini sini langjar
emotional integration hai tare ko akoi single leiba mayam siga tampak siga akoi gap amakhak sum leibadong na leiri se masin akoi masum masi am toina tawraga de sigi gap sisu anthara kadra na khalle